It's a start, maybe. Honestly, I don't think it was an overwhelmingly convincing performance just because the breadth of the market wasn't that great. It was a twitch higher. The S&P closed at exactly the level we were at 2:30 yesterday afternoon. So all we did is kind of get back that late day surge to the downside. Not to minimize the fact that it's relieved the pressure. I just think that once you've had the market kind of knocked in such a sharp pullback as we've had right now, the burden of proof gets higher on the bulls. So you have to sustain some kind of a comeback. So it's a twitch higher. It's not necessarily decisive of much yet.
And also Microsoft propped up the stock names after reporting strong numbers. We have just got Amazon numbers. You can see it moving after hours. We're diving into them. We'll have the headlines for you in a moment. Stephanie, if earnings don't hold up, could that weigh on the market tomorrow?
Oh, sure, absolutely. But I think that was absolutely the reason why we rallied today, because you had such strong earnings across the board, really. It wasn't just Microsoft. It wasn't just technology. I mean, the down-and-out auto companies, even the industrial companies, several of them opened down, like Union Pacific opened down 2%. It closed up strongly. So it was very broad-based today, and it was encouraging for sure. And at the same time, we have gone from 19.5 times forward estimates. Yesterday, the multiple on the S&P, 15.2 times. So we are discounting a lot of bad news. So if earnings are good and we can get comfortable with 2019 numbers, which is what this whole thing is about, then I think we can rally from here.
Where does sentiment stand at this point, Mike?
I think sentiment is concerned. It's not necessarily panicky. I think the fact that we got back to flat just about for the S&P year to date is a little bit of a wake-up call. I think very short-term trader sentiment, they were leaning bearish. I obviously think the tape got kind of in a very highly stressed condition at the close yesterday. But I don't think what we have here is people who've totally thrown in the towel and said, we now don't even think the fundamentals are good. We don't think the fourth quarter is going to be worth participating in. So if we need something like that, it's not there yet.
But it is interesting because the growth managers who have been outperforming all year long just gave back everything.
Yeah.
And so the value managers, we've been trailing because it's been a tough value market, but now the growth guys. So it'll be interesting to see how it all works out.